Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're checking out Benable, and maybe you're wondering, can you really make big income with this particular website? We're going to check it all out today. Is this a good way for you to make money online? Maybe there are better ways out there, all right? Now, Benable is a pretty interesting website. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, so when I saw this, I was like, wow, this is really interesting because I've never seen anybody do it in quite this way, right? And it's pretty cool because you can come to Benable.com. You can create an account from pretty much anywhere in the world. This is a global website, all right, which is really cool. And essentially what you can do is you can curate your favorite list in pretty much anything that you can think of. So whether that's traveling or eating or weight loss or some sort of, problems in the medical area. For example, if you've got, gassy stomach, you can literally create a list on the best items that help you to get over your gassy stomach, for example. So it's really cool. And then what you can do then is after you've curated your list, you will essentially be able to share these lists with people inside of Benable and outside of Benable as well. And when people click on your list and actually buy the product, you will make a commission from brands that are affiliated with these products that you've created lists from, if that makes sense, right? So it's really, really cool. So you can earn from 35,000 brands. And the nice thing about them is that you don't have to go and create and sign up with every single affiliate network. They're just going to do that for you. Okay, now I've never seen that before, which I think is really, really cool. It's not that it's difficult for you to get approved with a lot of these networks. And I'll show you in a second, right? Amazon, Etsy, Nike, Lululemon, for example, eBay, Sephora. All of these are affiliate programs that are global. These are big brands, and you can sign up with them and get approved pretty easily, but you would have to join every single one separately. So it's just a little bit time consuming. So what Benable has done is they've made the process very easy for the normal average person to come here and start creating lists. Okay, so this, for example, is what it looks like once you've logged in. So I could click on any of these. So let's just say I'm interested in pets, right? So I would go to pets, and I want to surf Benable, okay? So I want to find out a little bit more about some of these lists. So, this is by Ashley, for example. She's got a high maintenance dog must-have. This is by Dee. She's got, must-have pet supplies. This is by Maddie, right? Doodle owner must-have, for example, okay? So let's just have a look at Ashley's list, right? So I'm going to click inside. And this is basically a list that she's created inside of Benable. So these are some of the products that she likes. She'll write like a little thing here. This is a dog bowl, blah, 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 blah. And if you like any of these things and you were to purchase from her list, right? Because some of them are pretty interesting, right? So for example, if I'm a dog owner and I love dogs, okay? And I wanted, something for my dog, and I saw this, dental treats for dogs. And I had to look through this, and I actually clicked into it to see it a little bit more. This might be pretty interesting for me. And if I buy from this particular thing right here, okay, she will basically make a small commission based on my purchase, which is really, really cool. And that's essentially what affiliate marketing is. You're just recommending other companies' products, and for that referral, you get a payment. It's really cool, right? So this one right here, a lot of these are probably linked to Amazon because Amazon has access to a lot of these products, right? And that's essentially it. It's really, really cool. Maybe this vacuum cleaner and that kind of stuff. So in theory, Benable is a really good idea, okay? And the nice thing that I like about it is it's not only available on your computer, it's also available in app form, right? So you can surf it on your app through your Apple device or through an Android device, right? Which is where people spend the most time, okay? Now the question now is how does this actually work? So if I come into my dashboard, let me just show you how they make money and how you can make money too. Now look, you can sign up with 34,000 brands, right? So essentially, you start creating lists using your app, and it's very, very cool. It's very easy. And once you create these lists, if there is a product that's related to the one that you actually pick, they will just link it up with the affiliate network that can supply that particular product, right? So if it's Amazon, and Amazon has the vast majority of those products, then it will just get linked to Amazon. If you're, selling, for example, facial cream or, maybe a perfume or something, then it's going to link up to Sephora. And you can see the commissions over here, right? Up to 5%, Etsy's up to 7%, Wayfair is up to 4%, right? So it's not huge commissions because you have to understand that a lot of these products right here are physical products, okay? And when you sell physical product items, the commission rates on them are not that high. because they're physical items, they have to be manufactured. They got to pay employees and all that kind of stuff, the material costs. So a lot of them are usually, between, I would say 3, 4, 5%, or just under 10%. Okay, that's pretty normal for selling a physical product through affiliate links, right? And they're partnered up with a lot of these companies right here. Okay, now here's the interesting thing, the interesting and weird thing. They say every other platform takes 20% of your commissions, but Benable doesn't take a penny. Whatever we've negotiated with the brand, you get to keep 100%. Okay, so I think what they do is that, so for example, Amazon's commissions, if you went to Amazon directly and signed up with them, they pay between 3 to 5% commissions. This is actually very little, all right? So perhaps what they've done is they've gone to Amazon and said, hey, we're going to bring in a lot of people, so you give us like 1 or 2%. Okay, and then the Amazon commission rate, that you make will be a little bit less. Okay, but it saves you the effort of going to the Amazon platform and having to sign up. So it saves you time. Okay, so it's the same as Wayfair or Lululemon, for example, right? So maybe the Lululemon affiliate program is up to 10%, right? So they've negotiated with Lululemon, and they're going to give you, it says up to 8%, so it might be only 5%, 4%, 6%. So they keep the, additional 1, 2, 3% for themselves because, they've created this entire platform. They've made it easy for you. So I think that's how they make their money. All right. So the verbiage here makes it sound like they don't make any money at all. But of course, that's not possible because they have to build all this stuff. There's all the tech behind it. They've got people they need to hire. They have to pay salaries and things like that, right? So they are obviously making money somewhere, okay? And that's, how I think that they do it. They just basically take a cut of it, right? And they pay you a little bit less after they have negotiated the rates with these companies, which is not necessarily a bad thing, as long as they make it easy for the user, which is you, right? Now, there are a couple of things that I want to mention, okay? So after you've created your list, okay, the way that it works is people are meant to just sort of come to your website right here. So, Benable has hundreds of thousands of users all over the world. So let me just show you right here. You can see that just on Google Play Store, they have about 100,000 downloads. They're also available on the, the Apple App Store as well. So roughly a few 100,000 people have access to this website. And the way that it's supposed to work is that if somebody is coming here and they're interested in food, they'll click on food and they'll kind of, just kind of shop these lists because they might be interested in some of these things, right? Oh, I'm interested in bagels in Jersey. I'm interested in Decata books. I'm interested in, some gluten-free recipes, for example, or gluten-free products, right? So this is purely based on the people that are shopping on Benable itself. All right. Now, here's a problem with that is that there aren't that many people. Remember that, a few 100,000, it might sound like a lot of people, but there's a limited amount of space on this for people to kind of shop through, if that makes sense. People are surfing and, there is limited real estate on the website, right? So there are a lot of lists here. Okay. So if you go out there and you create only one list, the chances that someone is going to land on your actual list, click on it, and then, read through the list and actually buy something is pretty slim. All right. Now, if you're lucky and you're ranked on the top, and for some reason the list that you created did really well, okay? Like, for example, this list right here has 78 hearts. This one has 100 hearts. So these are obviously more popular lists that some of these people have created, right? So the chances that Madeline, for example, has made a commission is going to be higher than, say, someone right on the bottom who only has, 1 like, for example, okay? So the trick here is if people are to surf Benable and find your list, you need to create as many lists as humanly possible, okay? So if you go out there and only create one list, the chances that someone's going to find your list and buy from your list is very slim, all right? So this is a numbers game. You have to come here and make 100 lists, 200 lists, if possible, in all different areas, right? Your hobbies, tech, travel, baby, beauty, whatever you're interested in, your active life, right? And the more that you do that, the higher the chances of people stumbling upon your list and the higher the chances of people actually buying, okay? So that's a tip that I'm going to give you. And that's just in general with affiliate marketing. You have to give yourself the highest chance for people to find your stuff, because if they're going to stumble upon it, limited real estate makes it very, very difficult, okay? The second way that you can do this is if you already have a following, you should promote your list to your following. So if you've got a following on Instagram or YouTube, for example, or TikTok, right? If you want, you can promote your list to them, and that's a higher way that you're going to give yourself more exposure. But unfortunately, if you're brand new and you're a beginner and you don't have a following, then it's going to be pretty difficult to do that. Okay, so please don't think that you can come onto Benable, make one list, and then all of a sudden start making hundreds and thousands of dollars, because it's not really like that. Okay, there is a lot of work involved in this as well. Okay, the other thing I want to mention is that the threshold is pretty high. Okay, so the payout threshold is $80, and remember, with a lot of these products, right, you're literally making, 1, 2, 3, 4%, pretty low. Okay, remember that it said up to certain percentages, right? But remember, they take a cut as well, even though they say they haven't, right? But they definitely take a cut somewhere, because otherwise they can't operate their website. Okay, and whenever you sell stuff on Amazon, let's just say, right, you sell an Amazon product, Amazon's only going to pay you 3% or maybe 2% after they've negotiated their rates with Benable. Okay, 2% or 3% commissions on, let's just say, a $10 product, or let's just say $20, okay, for devil's advocate, okay, play devil's advocate here, times 3%, that's only 60 cents, right? So you're gonna have to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and thousands of sales to make the big money. Okay, yes, of course, everything adds up, but please understand that it's gonna take a while for you to hit the threshold of $80. All right, it's going to take a little bit of time, okay? But that's, in essence, how Benable works, okay? So I think that as an idea, I think it's pretty cool, especially if you're not, for example, a professional affiliate marketer like myself. I've been doing this for a long time. I drive, hundreds and hundreds of leads every single day to my websites and things like that. But it's slightly more complicated if you want to do it full time. Now, I make, about $1,000 a day. I know that sounds crazy, right? But when you've been doing this a while like I have, then it's, when you understand how to do this properly, it can become a full-time thing. Now, Benable, what they've done is they've tried to make it a little bit easier for the average person off the street. So you don't know how to do it properly. Maybe you can come here, you can just create a few lists and then make a little bit of money. Maybe possible, all right? But if you want to make full-time income, the big income, for example, the way that I do, then it's going to take a little bit more training, all right? So I think it's nice that Benable's been able to do that, but you have to understand that it is a numbers game. You have to create tons and tons of lists if you really want to make, any decent money. And also, if you have a following, you're going to get a lot more results if you promote it to your following. If you're a beginner, it's going to be pretty hard to do that. So unfortunately, you're not going to be able to do that, all right? Now, here's another thing I want to mention about Benable. I wanted to dive deep to see if people were actually making money or not, okay? And some people have made money from it, but I think, the more troubling thing is that some people have, said some not so great things about Benable. Okay, so I went to Trustpilot just to check it out, and they don't have that many reviews. There's only 9 reviews here, and I just want to be, completely fair, because sometimes when it comes to reviews and there's so few reviews, a lot of people will come here and leave negative reviews if they've done, if they've had a negative experience, okay? But unfortunately, the negative reviews, they're not that great. They're pretty scathing, to be honest, okay? So this is what some people have said, right? So one star, and this was pretty recently. Where do I start? I made over $1,300 on Benable. So this person pushed it pretty hard. And we know the commissions aren't super high, especially on physical stuff. That's why I like to sell digital stuff, okay? But yeah, just to give you an idea. And when I requested for payout, they put my account on hold, and then they banned my account for no good reason, okay? Absolute scam of a platform for affiliates. They exploit your traffic, and then they ban you from the platform when it comes to paying you. So again, this is one person, not that many people have left, reviews, but just, it's a bit of a red flag. Okay, and it's something to take note of, because a legitimate affiliate platform would never ever ban you when they owe you money, especially if you've done everything right. Okay, so here's another review. Stay away, total scam. Don't waste your time. No cookie durations, okay? So usually a cookie is how long someone can actually click on your link and keep making commissions from it, right? So it is true, they don't give you full details, right? Another one says that they lie, saying that they don't take a cut of the commissions they get from the brands, right? When this is the very core of this business model, all right? So again, like I mentioned earlier, again, because I've been doing this for so long, I've been doing affiliate marketing for 16 years. Again, for me, that was a little bit weird when they said that they don't take a cut at all, because how do they make money? That's how affiliate marketing works. They have to negotiate some sort of rate so that they can make money for the effort that they put in setting up this entire business and website, okay? Third thing is they set a minimum payout for very high for a startup, higher than most serious affiliate networks, which is true, because most are very low. It's only $10 or $20, okay? And it says so they can avoid paying creators for as long as possible, And they also get to keep all the money in most cases, since the creators will simply just give up before reaching $80. There's no way to request a payment before, which is also kind of true because this does take a lot of effort. Okay, for you to get to 80 bucks, I mean, you have to push this pretty hard. All right, remember, commissions are super small. They're like 50 cents, 60 cents, 80 cents, right? So you have to make a lot of sales. You have to make, more than 100 sales, in order for you to get above an $80 threshold. All right. Now, when you approach $80, they start to not report your commissions anymore, and that's a bit weird. Okay, multiple confirmed sales through my links never showed up on my account. That's a bit, that's a big red flag right there. Sketchiest customer service ever. They try and gaslight you, straight up lie, eventually stop responding. That's not great. Okay, so that's what one person has said. All right, so a couple of big red flags there. Okay, now here's the thing. There's only been 2 really damning reviews, and especially when you have a few 100,000 people that have been using the platform. So take this with a pinch of salt. But what I would say is that that is something to be a little bit concerned about. Not to say that Benable is straight out there to scam people, but just something to keep in mind, okay? Now, overall, I think that what they're trying to do here is pretty cool, all right, for a few reasons. So it's global. It gives people easy access to, normal affiliate programs out there, more physical affiliate programs. Unfortunately, with physical affiliate programs, the commissions are pretty low. I prefer selling digital products, and we'll talk about that in a second if you want, okay? More profits, higher margins, things like that. But they do make it very easy. You don't have to go and sign up and stuff like that. And they don't necessarily teach you how to do the advanced strategies. This is just super basic. You create a list, you cross your fingers, and you hope for the best, okay? So they've given affiliate marketing, and they've made it accessible to the absolute beginner who may not necessarily want to learn how to do it properly, all right? But the problem is that it's going to take you a lot of work because you don't really understand how to promote these lists, and you're not going to be able to make that much money from it. It's literally a couple of bucks here, a couple of bucks there, some money on the side. That's all, right? You're never going to go full time with this strategy unless you learn how to promote your lists and build an audience properly, which is not something Benable focuses on. Okay, so that's good and bad. Okay, it just depends on who you are and what kind of money you want to earn. If you want to earn, just a little bit of small money for fun, Benable's pretty cool. If you want to learn to make big money, we're talking about full-time income, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month upwards, 10, 20, 30K, that kind of thing. You're never going to do it with this type of structure because they're not showing you how to do that properly. All right. And so pros and cons just depends on what you're looking to do here. All right. And then a couple of the red flags right there. So just something to keep in mind. Okay. If you start promoting this and you can't cash out, that's a big problem. All right, so it may be just for a couple of people. It may not be for everyone, but just something to keep in mind before deciding to fully commit to a program like this, okay? So if you want to check it out, Benable.com, pretty cool new kid on the block, making affiliate marketing a bit more accessible to people all over the world, all right? Now, if you're here watching this video and you're looking for a way to make big money online, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies out there to make money online. My favorite way is affiliate marketing, and I've used it to quit my full-time job. I make about $500 to $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing. It is an amazing business model, but you have to be willing to put a little bit of time into it. So if you want to take your learning of affiliate marketing and take it to the next level, I've got a free training that will show you how I used it to quit my full-time job, how I used it to 5 times my corporate income, and you can access that by clicking the link right below this video. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Benable. I wish you all the best, and I will see you on the inside.